Save money. Learn how to refill Brother TN2385 and TN660 toner cartridges at home. A complete, step-by-step guide to refilling Brother TN2385 and TN660 toner cartridges, designed so anyone can easily do it at home with 100% confidence. Clear, practical, and engaging from start to finish. The essential tools you need before refilling: a bottle of Brother-compatible laser toner and a small funnel for pouring the toner. Next, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver or a power driver like the one shown in the video, a flathead screwdriver to release the locking clips, and a pair of needle nose pliers to press the clips back into place. You'll also need a few cotton swabs to clean the magnetic roller blade, and finally a soft cloth to wipe the magnetic roller. Regular medical cotton pads will work just fine as well. And now, start refilling the genuine toner cartridge first. Feel free to follow along with the video. If you have any questions or don't understand a step, just leave a comment below. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Rotate the magnetic roller if the toner coats the roller evenly. Then it's all good. If the toner doesn't show up or the coating is uneven, you should remove the magnetic roller and clean both the roller and the doctor blade thoroughly. Next, follow the same procedure for the compatible Brother TN2385 and TN660 toner cartridges. Unlike the genuine cartridge, this compatible version has two securing screws and an outer cover on the gear side. It also includes a convenient refill port on the side of the cartridge, making it much easier for users to refill and reuse the toner. The method for rotating the reset gear when refilling is the same as on the genuine cartridge. Clean the magnetic roller thoroughly. You should empty all the remaining toner inside the cartridge, because when the cartridge runs out, most of what's left is toner dust, residue, and paper particles. These impurities can affect print quality and reduce the lifespan of the cartridge when you refill it. Use medical cotton swabs to clean the toner buildup on the doctor blade. Never use a utility knife or any hard object, as this can damage or deform the blade. Apply a small amount of grease to the end of the magnetic roller to ensure smooth and effortless rotation. As mentioned earlier, the compatible cartridge has a convenient refill port, making it much easier when you reuse and refill the toner. Use a toner vacuum or empty out any remaining toner inside the cartridge. Shake the toner bottle well before pouring. This helps loosen the toner so it flows like a liquid, making it easier to refill the cartridge. Pay close attention to the position of this gear. The notch must face toward the plastic panel of the cartridge. And this is the correct position of the toner reset gear. Rotate the magnetic roller if the toner coats it evenly like this. That's perfect. Your print quality will be excellent. And here are the results after refilling both the genuine cartridge and the compatible one. At this point, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'm always happy to connect and chat with friends from all around the world. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and peace. And don't forget, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments so I can keep improving the channel and bring you more helpful videos.